Hi all. Today I'm going to discuss about accounts, contacts, and opportunities relationship. So, as we all know, lookup and master have many differences, but this we have these two differences that parent record is not mandatory in lookup and parent record is mandatory in master. And also, if we delete the parent record, child record will be deleted in the lookup relation, while in master, uh, um, parent record deletion will impact and child record also will be deleted. So this way, if we see the relation between account to contact and account to opportunity, it can be explained as a mix of both lookup and master relationship. Because if we see, while creating a contact or an opportunity, we see this field as a lookup field, and it is also not a mandatory field. And if we delete an account, the corresponding contact and opportunity will also be deleted because these fields are these are the standard objects, not custom objects. And in standard objects, cascade deletion is set to true. So when a cascade deletion option is set to true, parent record will correspondingly impact the deletion. And when the parent record is deleted, the child record will be automatically deleted because of the cascade deletion. So that's the reason it in UI we see it as a lookup relation, but in actually as per business, it acts as a master detail relationship. Coming to roll up summaries, as we all know already that roll up summaries can be created only for master detail, even though the account is a master for can act as a there's a master data relationship between both account opportunity and account contact, but only a roll up summary can be created only for account and opportunity. So I will show you so I've already created a roll up summary.
Samita, 1 minute. Samita, 1 minute. Huh? So first go to contact. So go to the contact, click on new button. So first we'll see what is the relationship between contact and account. So in this contact and account, you can see account name. It is required field or not required field? Hello?
Required field.
Required field, not required field. We saying required?
It's not required.
Not required.
Not required.
So not required means which relationship?
Lookup.
Lookup.
Lookup, correct. Okay. For example, create one record, Samita here. Just give some contact name and some account. Just create one sample of test in check in account. Yeah. Check account and maybe you can create new account. Otherwise, maybe that account is related to any cases and all. It will be problem again. Create one test account.
Yes, sir. I'll create one account and then contact opportunity, and I'll show how the roll up summaries in the end.
Correct. Correct. So why I'm just asking this question is account contact opportunities. So this is a little bit different compared to lookup master and all. It is mixed relationship. Okay. So this is a common interview question for all the interviews. If you are going interview, this question will ask, definitely they will ask. Okay. So account is created. Now if you go to the contact, you can create contact without account also. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So account is not required. So it means it's like a in the lookup. It is in the UI. It is like a lookup. Correct?
Yes.
Other people are following or not following? Nikita, Padmaja, everyone is following. What
yes.
everyone is following. Why I'm getting reason?
So, I'm not giving any account, but still I can save the record.
Correct. See now, for example, this contact we have not given account. It means lookup.
And I'll create an opportunity. So we can see the contacts and opportunities under the account right now. And so we can create a roll-up summary under the account. So here we can see only opportunities, but there is no contacts under this option, under the summarized topics option for us.
This is very important, everyone. Okay. So between account and opportunities, we can create all of summaries. Between account and contacts, can we create all of summaries? Between account and contacts, can we create all of summaries? No. Only account and opportunities we can create. We can summarize the opportunities data, not a context data.
Okay. Because sir, it is a child object. That's why it is only account opportunities and.
Why contact as a child, right? Contact as a child for account. Correct. Then contact is not showing here. So that is the limitations, madam. So why is it main? That is the difference between here all the normal relationships and this relationship. Only we can create a lot of summaries between account and opportunities, not a account and contacts. Okay. Everyone is following? My voice only.
Here,
yes.
Now, if I delete this account, I'm deleting the Macy's account that I've created just now. So if I delete this account, the corresponding contacts that were earlier there. This one, I haven't assigned any account name, so this is still there. But for the one that I've assigned the Macy's account is deleted. And even the opportunity, the one with the name Macy's is also deleted. That's it.
Yeah.
Is it clear, sir?
So everyone is clear? Any questions here? Now tell me, what is the relationship between account and contact? Tespa, what you understood? Tespa is there? Rana, what you understood? Could you please explain me what is the relationship between now account and contact? It is a lookup or master detail now?
It's a lookup, but we have checkbox task. So
sorry, I'm back.
Delete an account, delete contact.
So how you need to say answer is the relationship between account and contact is as per the UI, it is a lookup. Why it is as per the UI, it is lookup? Because account is not mandatory at the time of contact creation. Yes or no? Everyone is agree?
Yes.
I'm expecting everyone needs to give answer. Yes or no? If you are not giving what I understood is you are not understanding. You understood or not? At the time of contact creation, account is required or not required?
No. Not required.
Not required. If
a parent is not required, what is the meaning?
Lookup
relationship.
It's a lookup relationship.
Okay.
Yes.
Just remember this point. We'll come to second point now. For example, just now Samvita like a deleted account record, contact also deleted. What is the meaning of this one? If parent is deleted, child record also deleted.
Master
detail relationship.
Correct. So as per the UI, it is working like a which relationship?
Lookup relationship.
But in the business logic, what is happening? As in the background business logic, if you delete parent record, child also deleting.
It's a master detail relationship.
Master detail relationship.
So that's why the relationship between account and contact and opportunities, not a lookup, not a master. It is a standard relationship. Okay. So in the background, cascade delete is function is cascade delete checkbox is enabled for record. Cascade delete recorded true. That's the reason if you delete parent record, automatically child record is deleting.
Okay.
So this is only true for the edition that we are getting. Is it because of that, or
No,
it's otherwise
even in the real time also, madam, unlimited edition also. That is just a small difference here. This is an interview question. It is a different relationship actually, we can say. As per the UI, it is a lookup. But in the background, if you delete account, automatically contact also deleting. That's why it is nothing but what happened is, this is a standard relationship. Why it is behaving like this? Because cascade function is enabled for contact and opportunity. Clear what I'm saying?
So why can't it be the same at the back end and the front end?
No, man, that is a functionality providing by Salesforce.
Okay.
Okay. So, for example, if we create new relationship, either lookup or master detail, we can do whatever we want. What relationship we want to create, we can decide it. But this relationship is providing by Salesforce. Clear what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, cool. So, but here one more important point here is, it is as per the UI, it is lookup, but in the background, it is like a master detail. So, but if you want to create roll-up summaries between the account and contact, it is not possible. But if you want to create roll-up summaries between account and opportunities, we can create roll-up summaries. This is a very, very important question, madam. If anyone is not understanding, let me know. Can we create roll-up summaries between account and contact? Can we summarize data accounts, contacts and all?
No.
No. Can we create roll-up summaries between account and opportunity?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So this is very important question. Just go
Do
through
you
it
have
again.
any explanation why we can't create the roll-up summaries between account and contact?
That is the thing I told you, na, sir. This is, as per the UI, it is like a lookup. It looks like a lookup. Generally, we can get roll-up summaries in which object? Master detail only, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So generally, it is in the background. What is happening is Salesforce account and opportunities behaving like a master detail. So that's why only for account opportunities only we can get roll-up summaries in the parent record, account record. Clear?
Yeah.
So this is a standard relationship. It is not a lookup. It is not a master detail. So Salesforce is providing this functionality. Many people will confuse why we are creating roll-up summaries for opportunities, not for contacts. Why we are creating roll-up summaries for opportunities, not for contacts. Both are same here, right? So because that is providing by Salesforce.
Relationship between accounts and opportunities is master detail.
The same thing, as per the UI, it is lookup, but business logic, it is like a master detail. So we can say master detail between those account and opportunities.
No, account and opportunities, but how can we create then roll-ups summary?
Yeah.
Because as per UI, it's lookup only, right?
So as per the UI, it is lookup, sir. For example, if you go to the opportunity and Somita once.
No, what I'm asking is, even for contacts, as per UI, it's lookup, and even for opportunities, as per UI, it's lookup.
Correct.
But
Salesforce is providing that functionality for opportunities only, not for account contacts. That is a standard functionality providing by Salesforce. Providing only for opportunities, not for contacts.
Even I was trying to look up for the same question, but I couldn't find the right answer. But somewhere I saw that business users were interested only in getting the count of opportunities and not contacts. That's why this feature is not yet available.
Yeah. Clear, sir. But everyone needs to remember this answer. Everyone is following Teswa, Padmaja madam, Aditi. Is it clear what Samita is explained? Any questions? This is a very important interview question. The relationship between account and contact, the relationship between account and opportunity. Very, very important question. Tomorrow I will ask the same question to everyone. So answer should be perfect. Okay, everyone needs to give me proper answer. Clear?
Okay.
Sure. Thanks. Thanks, Sabita.